Hi, Pete Hendrix, Hendrix Classics & Co. here. This video, which is meant for newer classic shavers, is about shaving brushes. So, I am a big fan of the synthetic shaving brushes. Here are some that I really like. This is a Fendrahan synthetic brush. It works really well. The handle is plastic. I really prefer acrylic, but it works just fine. Another one we have here, this is the little Omega S brush. These brushes are under 10 bucks. I really like these. It's going to have more backbone, and backbone means it's more forceful on your face. Just a great little brush. I love these little guys. Here's another one, a bit more luxurious though. And keep in mind, when we're talking about synthetic brushes, most of them are going to be under $15. So we're not talking about a lot of money. This one's a really nice one. This is the Razor Rock synthetic brush. I like the handle. It's a nice classic design. It's black. Nice performer. I like that one. Now, moving to natural fibers. On the natural fibers, I'm not a fan of the boar brushes. I am a fan of the horsehair brushes. Though I'll have to say I like the synthetics better than horsehair. So V-Long is the company, VIE-LONG. They are the horsehair brush company. I like this one. I love the way that the handle on this is formed. It's acrylic. They dye the hair so that it looks like a badger. Not crazy about that, but it doesn't matter. Good performer here. Another company, I have a brush ordered and haven't used it yet, but I understand that AP Shave Co. Has might be the best synthetic brushes on the market. Those are going to be 20 or 25 bucks. The one that I've heard the most about is their Sinbad, SYNBAD, and that's AP Shave Co. They have a website and they're on Etsy. And then finally, this is a really nice badger brush. The nice badger brushes are going to go from $150 to probably $350. I don't like to spend that kind of money on a brush. I got this one on sale, and this is a Thader 4125. Nice brush. The 4125 line of Thader brushes are really soft. They have another line, I think it's the 4290, that's more popular, but this is just a really nice brush. Again, I really am a fan of the synthetic brushes. They're not expensive. You don't have to do a lot of special care for them. They dry really quickly. The instructions that came with this brush, this is the Thader, that's the nice badger. There's a lot of care instructions for this, and you just don't have to worry about with these synthetics. And at the price with synthetics, I've never worn one out, but if you were to wear one out, they don't cost that much. Okay, that's it for this time. We'll see you next time. Bye.
All right.
Hi, Pete Hendrix here, Hendrix Classics & Co. In this video, which is geared for newer classic shavers, I'm going to talk about some different shaving soaps. You want to have good shaving soap. Unfortunately, the most commonly sold shaving soaps are going to be Vanderhagen, Williams, and Colonel Conk Glycerin. I don't recommend those, and they're in most every drugstore. Those aren't the ones I would go with. Some ones that I love, Wet Shaving Products. This is actually their sticker on a different tin. They have really good shaving soap. I really like Wet Shaving Products. Sterling Soap Company. I know the folks who own it, Rod and Mandy. They're great folks. They make really good soap. This is very popular, and I would recommend them. Hendrix Classics & Co. We have a soap. This video is not meant to be marketing related, so I'm not going to brag on it, but it is a good soap. Barrister and Mann. Oh, I love this soap. This is their Seville, which is their barber shop. Of course, most of these folks are going to have different scents. I really like the Barrister and Mann. And then, oh my goodness, if I had to pick one soap that is probably my very favorite, it's going to be the Prix de Provence 63. And you want the 63, that's the scent that is awesome. This soap is inexpensive, it's a hard soap, it'll last a long time. I just love this stuff. Okay, then we have shaving cream. I am a bit partial to shaving cream. Most people are partial to shaving soap. There's not a right or wrong here, it's what you like. So, somebody told me about Palmolive men's sensitive shaving cream. This is a good cream. I'm impressed with it, and I'm pretty picky. It takes more of this than other ones, but still, it's a good performer. Next up, you've heard me talk about wet shaving products a moment ago. I really like the wet shaving product shaving cream. Now the creams are going to be a little more expensive. You're moving, all of these other ones are 15 or under, and here this is going to be 25-ish, though it'll last a long time. Just can't say enough good about it. Sometimes the scent that is in products will cause irritation for some folks, and that's more likely if you're a new shaver. I would avoid the barbershop scent with the wet shaving products. They have one called Gaelic Tweed that I just love. Balm.B. This is an awesome shaving cream. It is, it's going to be 25-ish as well, but these last a long, long time. Just a great soap. And then, for me, the very best performance I have ever had from any shaving soap or cream is Castle Forbes. This is a premium soap. It's going to be $42 or $43 for a container. That's expensive, though it will last for 6 months. And so the cost per shave isn't that much. This is just a wonderful performer. Okay, that's it for today, and we'll see you next time.